So what's up guys? Today I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to deploy your Levanter WhatsApp bot the updated method. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So this one is more easier than the rest that's been updated. So we're going to be using this is the place to get our session ID and where we also get the bot file from. We won't be downloading it from anywhere, you understand? Then the panel site that we're going to be using, I'm going to be using this panel. I also create more videos on other panels. So the only catch about this particular panel is that you have to log in every 3 days into the main site. So I'm going to explain. You have to log into this particular link and make sure you log into your account every 3 days. If not, your panel will be every 1 week. If not, your panel would be deleted. Okay, you understand that? Alright, so now let's get straight into the video ASAP. Okay, so this is the home page. Let me just log in. So once you click on the link, this is how it will look like, right? So all you just need to do is press login. To press login, so click that. Yeah, then sign in with your Discord. Yes, you have to have your Discord account. Then another thing about this site, you cannot have more than one account. If you want to have more than one account, then make sure you are not using it on the same browser and you don't use the same IP address. You understand? So use different browser and a different IP address. You can on your airplane mode and off to change your IP address. So make sure you don't use one IP address to login into the same account. You understand? Alright, so my it's about to log in. Alright, okay. So you have to log in at least just to this one page once every week, once every 7 days, if you don't want your panel to be deleted. So how do you create a panel? You come to this hamburger menu, you click on that, then you click on create server. So you click on that, then you press click here, this green place. So you click on it, so it's going to take you to where you're going to create your server. Then you press this button, create server. So you give the bot any name, although I've created the server I'm going to use, right? I've created my server. So just for example, so now they said server RAM in MB. They said use your use RAM balance. Your side you're meant to see 0 MB of max 1024 MB. So what you just need to do is to type in 1024. Then server disk space is 4000. You see 0 MB of max 4000 MB. So you just type 4000 MB. Then yeah, that's pretty much all of it. Then you select any location you want. Then for the select game, you click on that, then you press bot hosting. Is bot hosting. You click on it. Then for the server type, you select Discord JS, node.js bot. So you click on that, then you press create server. If I create this, they'll tell me I don't have blah blah blah, it'll take me to where I'll pay. Understand? So but for you that I just created your account, you should have free servers, you understand? So after creating a server, the next place to come is login to panel, you understand? So you click on login to panel. So you will click on this, your panel username, you can copy it. Then you also click here to view your password. So I want to be revealing my password for privacy purposes, you understand? Or pretty much you can just press panel login, and I think it should log you in automatically without asking for username and password. But if by venture you ask for username and password, then just click here to view your password, you understand? Alright, so I'm already logged in. This is my panel. Okay, let me just get to the home page. All right, so once you log in, this is where you landed, you understand. So this is my bot, this is my server. So all you just do is just tap on your server, you click on it, so you can see nothing is running. So you come to the next place that we need to have work on our panel is files, but we won't be doing that now. Then we come to the these sites. Sorry for that. You come to this site, optic link. I'll paste all these links in the description of the video. So sorry, we're coming to this place rather. Session ID link, this place. Yeah, that's where we're going to connect our bots. So let's just go back. Let me just wait for the page to reload. Okay, then I've already loaded mine here. So this is the place to get your session ID link. So the next place to get your session ID is from here, because it's the session ID you're going to use to deploy. So you come to session ID, you click on it, then you're gonna want to click get peering code. Click on it, then you input your number in the international format. So if it's Nigeria plus 234, if it's Ghana plus 233. So I'm using a UK number, so that'll be plus 447 447 180 512. All right. So then you press generate peering code. So you just wait for the code to appear. Understand? Then just copy that. And you come back to your WhatsApp account. Okay. Then you're gonna press these three dots. These three dots here. Click on it. Then you press linked devices. Click on it. Then you press link a device. Then you use mobile data, you do your fingerprint, so you unlock your WhatsApp. So let me just verify that. Then you press link with phone number instead. Link with phone number instead. So then you paste the code you copied from the site. Alright. My keyboard just come up. Okay. Alright, so wait for it to log in. Alright, it has logged in. So you can just give it a name of your choice. Okay, then you come back. So immediately you come to your U page, you are going to see these two messages immediately after linking. So all you just have to do is to copy this. This is what we call your session ID. Session ID. So I've copied that. So the next thing is come back to where you're doing the linking and all that to download the file you're gonna use, you understand. So there'll be no editing of files in this process, unlike the previous one that we have to open the file to edit it and all that. Alright, so just close this. Okay, still has to reload. Alright, so once you've gotten to the home page, the next place we are going to is deploy. So you click on deploy. then you press panel, then you'll be asked to enter your session ID. So remember I copied the session ID, so okay, let me just paste that, paste. All right, so the session ID. So once you have that, then you press download index.js. So you just wait for the stuff to download. Yeah, so you can see our file has been downloaded. So the next place we want to go is back to our panel. So we're back at our panel. So you're gonna press files, then you press upload, then you press photos and videos. You just wait for that to load. So we'll be going to our downloads to get the file. Alright, so just load ASAP. So we just have to select the file we downloaded. Yeah, okay, so this is it, 757. So you just click on that, so it's gonna upload it. So I have more than one index.js file in my downloads. That's why you are seeing this bracket one. So you just have to do is to rename this file. You rename it, then you remove the bracket that is there, then you press rename. So once you have this, all you just have to do next is come to the console. Remember I said there is no editing of the code. Yeah, so you come to console and you press start. Alright, let's wait for that to finish. Alright, this might take a bit of some time. Yeah, alright, so if yours is delaying at any point like this and is not moving to the next point, all you just have to do is come to, so okay, what you just have to do is come to this type a command button, then you press, you click on it, your keyboard will pop up, then you type Y, understand? But this panel, it auto does that already, so there is no need to do that. Alright, so the bot has downloaded all its necessary files successfully. Then we wait for it to connect the necessary plugins to our WhatsApp, you understand? Okay, let's keep waiting. Should be done in no less than 5 seconds. So it has connected to our WhatsApp successfully. It remains to connect the necessary plugins. So the plugins are installed, and once you see external plugins installed, then boom, your WhatsApp bot is ready. So you can see this is very straightforward, no editing of code, nothing, understand, right? So let's go back to our WhatsApp and check if it's active. All right, so you can see that it's fully active. Once you see this message, welcome to our awesome community, and you have this message in particular, your bot is connected successfully. So let's test that dot menu. Boom. Yes, our WhatsApp is, and we can see all the functions. So if you need any form of command that you don't understand, just drop it down in the comment section to for me to do a video on that, and I'm going to explain how to use the command. Adios. And don't forget to like and subscribe and also share to your friends that would love to have a bot themselves. Bye.